right, well, the secret is basically out. We're at the end of day number 1 out here at Handi Quilter. Paul and I feel like we had a very, very successful day. Oh my gosh, you guys. I just absolutely cannot wait to get that machine on the floor. Mr. MK, what did you think of the advancements and the changes that they've made?
Oh, I was extremely happy because so many of my engineering improvements that I wanted on this Infinity are in there, and they did some wonderful things with cable management. It's going to be a gotta have type machine.
We're gonna be rolling out some things in the way of sales, how we're approaching this with marketing and whatnot. But if you are at all interested in this machine, you need to be talking to us early, way early, so that we can get you on the list.
You will see us out there really early.
We are pushing hard to be the first ones to get this on our floor and pump out our marketing as soon as we can. So we're really, really excited. Paul, before we end this video, I just want to walk them down the hall here. We're in second level here at Handi Quilter, and I'm just gonna like pan around a little bit, because when you come out here to Handi Quilter, just to see all of this beautiful work that has been done. This is some sort of educator challenge with all of these beautiful like Lone Star inspired quilts. There isn't any tags up by them, so I'm not 100% sure who made them all, but really, really beautiful. Okay, Paul, inside that door, can you just flip the light switch real quick? So we're just gonna step inside. It's the end of the day.
There's no machine in here.
So this is the Handi Quilter recording studio. So when you see Kim coming to you with all the videos that they make here at Handi Quilter, so this is their video production studio. They got some equipment over there. There's no machine up here right now, but yeah, this is where they do all their filming magic. And I've shared it several times, but I'll share it again. When I came out here in February of 2016, and I did all of that recording, and after I had really, had all the aha moments with simulation, I was in this room recording all of that. So it's just really, really great to be back here. We've been very, very warmly welcomed here by the staff, the new CEO. His name is Zach, and he's a great, great addition for Handi Quilter. I think you're gonna see some really awesome new things, new philosophy, new business ideas coming down the track. I'm walking backwards, so I'm trying to do this carefully without tripping and killing myself. But yeah, this is just so great to be here at headquarters. I filmed a little bit this morning while Paul and I were in the car, that it's like a kid coming to Disney World for me. It's just like I approach the building and I just get so excited. So keep watch, stay tuned. We'll have much, much more from you from our entire trip here to Handi Quilter headquarters in North Salt Lake City. All right, from HQ to you. Happy quilting, everybody. Bye-bye.